1920 by 1080p. So that's the pixels. 1080 by 1920. 4K is literally four of these 1920 by 1080p put together. They say it's twice as big. 4K is twice as big as 1080p. But it's twice as big this way, and it's twice as big this way. But you can fit four 1080p, 1920 by 1080p's in that 4K. Make sense? And so it feels like it's 4 times bigger, but they say it's twice big because you're talking about surface area. Talking about, if that makes sense. So if you shoot 4K, but your 1080p, so I'm going to break it down right down the middle, just like this. Whenever you edit in 1080p, it's going to look like this. Your 4K footage will be cropped. And then you can go in and downscale it, so it'll be 100%. You hit the scale to 50%, and it will fill your picture. But you have that much room to zoom in if you want to. And that's what digital zoom comes in. So if you're shooting at 4K, but you edit in 1080p, you have a lot of digital zoom room to play with without losing quality. Okay? So at first, in camera, this is the best option. Okay? Digital zoom usually isn't good unless you're shooting a higher resolution than you're editing. Does that make sense? So the camera, you want to zoom manual on your camera. Digital zoom works if you have a higher resolution, high res, and a low res edit. So high res camera, low res in Premiere Pro. Everybody, that makes sense? Am I losing anybody? You good on that? Okay.
Yeah.
Any other questions as far as audio?